Hi everybody, this is Brian from Prairie Gardens Jeffrey Alans. I've missed you. I'm so glad we have some time together now. I hope everybody's been doing what you're supposed to. Social distancing, wearing your mask, which we sell by the way, and just taking it easy and having fun with your family. Now, look, summer's almost over. You know what that means? Fall. It feels like it today. Probably not tomorrow. It's Illinois, so you know our weather is crazy. So we're starting to get in a lot of fall merchandise. It's changing by the day. And at the end of the summer, nature has a way of saying, okay, time's up. We're getting ready to start a new season. And for me, it's sunflowers. That's kind of like nature's way of saying, oh, the summer's almost over and fall's coming. And we have so many wonderful sunflower items for you. As you can see over here, from the stems to the wreaths, the arrangements. It's something I always like to tell everybody. When you have like an artificial stem, you know, they come in the box like this. But if you ever see pictures of the sunflowers or you go by the fields, when the seeds start getting produced, those heads get heavy, and that's why they're always bending over like this. So take your stem and bend it. And if you're doing a little cluster, get your glue to fix it, because they come separate in the box. That's what happens a lot. So I'm going to fix that for you. So if you have a cluster of 3, that makes it look a little more natural with that head bending down. Now you need some crows picking away at all the seeds, but we don't have those inside the store. And remember, it's just not artificials. We're a garden center here. So I'm thinking Rebecca's, lavender. This is a mountain mint, which I just saw. I thought was kind of cool. It makes you think of the south of France when you see all those pictures of the fields of lavender and the fields of sunflowers, you know. So some pots by the front door, or do a little garden. There's still lots of time to add things to your yard. And if you don't have a green thumb, if you got a brown thumb, hey, how about some of these beautiful metal stakes? These are neat. I had a family tell me like they put them in between their evergreens in the end of the summer. And that bright yellow against the green, cool. So, you know, let's talk a little bit more fall. Here's like one of our themes that's developing, kind of neutrals, grays, greens, almost herbal. So you could do your sages and your mints, your basils. It's a really nice look. But here's what I'm really excited about. You know me, I get excited about these things. It's not Christmas, but it's pretty darn close. Remember the spring? And we talked about our indigo garden Easter. Well, here's the fall version. The blue tones, which are so popular. Look at this blue velvet pumpkin. I think this is so rich, so cool. And you put it in with a lot of your everyday items, your vases or those wedding gifts that you never know what you're going to do with. You know, you add stuff like this too, and so you don't have to put them in the garage sale yet. But along with the blue, you have kind of a dressier look. But then you get back here to just the natural look. I think denim, I think flannel shirts, cookouts. That's what's really cool about this. And again, working it in with a lot of your everyday, almost woodsy items. But that's just a little hint of fall to come. Like I say, every day there's something new. Everything's arriving. So in a week or two, boom, orange. There's no escape. So fall's on its way. I'll be here to help you as much as I can. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.